sitting on a mattress, working on a way to make it out of Texas every night. Dropping baby up and home for my night shit. Yeah.
Yo, what's good? Took a trade today, took a L. Can't lie, took a L. In the moment, it sucked, but yeah. Oh, I got leaked. Uh-oh. I actually did this recap earlier this morning when I had a break during classes, but I did I did a video and then I watched it back. I literally uploaded it, so if you saw it, but yeah, I was about to watch it to review, and then I literally had no audio, so unfortunate, but let's do this recap again. Let's go over it. Yeah, took a quick L today, not gonna lie. I was trying to look studious, but they're kind of distracting me right now. Took a trade today, unfortunate loss, quick loss. It was like 4 minutes and then got stopped out. Things to learn, possibly have a better stop loss. I could have had my stop loss, all the way down here. It would have sacrificed the good RR, but, it is what it is. But, yeah, it was literally below this 1 minute gap. That's the only thing that was protecting us. But, yeah, I mean, I like the trade. I did like the trade, just what happened just is unfortunate. And yeah, so let's just go over the trade. Full transparency, I took it on Alpha 2 and I lost 500. So here it is, 500 across 5 accounts, 1500, and then I lost 343 on the live today. So it's funny when I take my full. When I lose, it's usually like a full stop loss, like a full size loss. But when I win, it's like I'm only risking $300. But whatever, let's get into it. Coming into the day, so I was bullish today. Why was I bullish? Because, I mean, looking at what happened during Asia and during overnight, this is why. I mean, we're just completely rallying, disrespecting hourly gaps right here, hourly gap, respecting bullish gaps. We tapped into this bullish gap so slightly and then started going up again right here with this hourly candle, closed below this high, and also eventually closed this hourly fair value gap. We can also go on the 4 hour as well. Same deal, broke structure on the 4 hour, invalidated this 4 hour gap. And we had just all these draws on liquidity that I wanted to see potentially get taken out. Same deal on ES, I believe. Closed below, above that. Hourly. Yeah, closed below, or closed above, I should say, of this hourly gap. So, same bias. And yeah, I was just bullish today. Coming into the day, market open. We take out all this relative equal highs up here. We sweep them cleanly. And, it gave us a potential short entry, but I was honestly just so convinced that we were going to take these highs, because we had this 15-minute gap right here that we were retracing into, completely filled it, and then just got a reaction out of that. Going on the 5-minute time frame now. I wasn't really looking at the 5-minute time frame for entry. I was just looking at it just for the purpose of looking at it, seeing what the 5-minute was looking like, what gaps we were making. And yeah, so I was on the 1 minute after we got that fill. I was just looking for like displacement and a breaker structure. We got that. This is clean displacement, and when this candle closed, that's when we had this 5-minute IAVG. So I thought it was perfect. It was beautiful, retracing to 15-minute gap, but it looks like it wanted to go lower for the short model. Yeah, we respected a 15-minute gap, disrespected a 5-minute bearish gap. It just doesn't make sense. But that's the thing, like that's why traders take losses. Because even though you're seeing everything perfect, it may seem, you can still lose, and you have to be okay with that. So yeah, just took the loss. Like I said, should have had a better stop loss. I was targeting these relative equal highs up here. This is from CPI. Yeah, I remember we never hit that high, and then we made another high during New York Open. So that was the trade for today. We had no, well, actually we did have news. Tomorrow we don't have news, and yeah, that's really it. Just unfortunate. Another thing that could have happened, market open. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I did take this trade before the macro. Now it's been a little while since I traded before the macro, and I'm still thinking, but I think I know what I'm gonna do. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays I have a 7:30 a.m. class, which is brutal, and so I get out at 8:50, which is the macro, which is like perfect timing. So I think this was a sign, since I got like literally stopped out so quick, a sign that I should probably either one, not even trade on Tuesday, Thursdays, which I don't think that's gonna happen. Still gonna trade Tuesday, Thursdays, but yeah, I think just for like reasonable purposes, I think I should just wait for the macro to open to take a trade on those days, because I'm getting out at 8:50. Like I'm like rushing to the nearest like study room, and so like yeah, it's just like it's not convenient. So, but let's say today we waited for the macro, right? I mean, I still probably would have entered this inverse right here, which is clean. Okay, we we stop people out after this liquidity sweep, right? We take out these people right here. Now we want to move up, potentially take out these highs. Here's the entry, but it still didn't work out. So, and then price just started moving ugly. But yeah, I mean, this was my motto. A short entry would have been, we got the liquidity, right, and then retracement. This wouldn't have been a retracement, but on NQ, or this is a bearish SMT with ES. ES did not take out that high. I forgot what high it was. Right here, 845 high. Did not take out that high, and so that was a bearish SMT. This is probably a 5-minute SMT as well. Yeah, 5-minute SMT, which could have been a fill of equilibrium as well. And then after that, just look for a 1-minute confirmation, which was probably right this entry right here. But you would have got stopped out. So I mean, today was just like, today was just. I honestly really like this long opportunity, but that's enough from me. I'm trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes the best I can. Just get straight to the point. No yapping. Well, a little bit of yap, but nothing outrageous, I guess. I think that's it, man. Tomorrow's Friday. I journaled this in my Notion, but yeah, when I got stopped out, it was hard. It was frustrating, getting stopped out that quick. Being in school, for one, but yeah, just getting stopped out, it sucked. But after I realized, it was a good trade, I just said, you know what? Let me not let it ruin my day. I took a good trade. I took a loss. Take it on the chin. Take it like a man and just move on. And that's what I did. And yeah, we live to trade another day. God bless.